and they shall be fruitful and multiply. Yung one flesh, yung sexual union ni Adam and Eve, importante na malaman natin na ito ay may spiritual dimension. Hindi lang siya physical, may spiritual dimension ito. Ang sabi ni Paul sa 1 Corinthians 6:16, sabi niya, when a man has sex with a prostitute, he becomes one flesh with that woman, with that prostitute. So we cannot share. Hindi natin pwedeng i-share ang katawan sa na hindi natin asawa. Our bodies are the temple of the Holy Spirit. Hindi lang katawan, ang puso natin. Alam niyo, meron din emotional adultery. Kasama yan ang katawan natin. So, let's be careful.